Welcome to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for car reviews, latest automotive updates, and in-depth walkthroughs of the most exciting models in the auto industry. If you're passionate about cars or in the market for your next vehicle, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a detailed breakdown like this. Today, we take a deep dive into a true automotive icon reborn, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Stay with us until the end of the video for a full overview of its performance, design, and features that make this modern classic truly stand out. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia pays homage to its vintage legacy while embracing modern innovation. It's available in multiple trims, offering both standard and performance-focused variants for a wide range of enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Karmann Ghia is offered with multiple engine configurations depending on the trim. You can expect options like a turbocharged inline-4 or a more spirited V6 engine, delivering horsepower in the range of 220 to 340 HP, and torque figures between 250 to 400 Nm. These power plants are tuned for responsive acceleration, and the inclusion of variable valve timing ensures efficiency without compromising performance. The transmission system varies between a smooth 6-speed manual for purists and an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic for those who prefer a more relaxed driving experience. Both options complement the car's character, allowing it to appeal to different driving styles. The drive system is offered in rear-wheel drive as standard, preserving its sporty roots, with an optional all-wheel drive configuration for enhanced grip and handling in challenging conditions. From the outside, the 2026 Karmann Ghia retains its iconic low-slung coupe body style, but with sharper lines and aerodynamic updates. The car measures approximately 4.3 meters in length, 1.8 meters in width, and 1.3 meters in height, with a generous wheelbase that enhances stability at high speeds and comfort during long drives. The body has been sculpted with modern cues, including sleek LED lighting, sculpted fenders, and a signature grille that gives it a futuristic yet nostalgic look. The suspension system is finely tuned with an independent front and rear setup that absorbs road imperfections while providing precise handling. High-performance variants include adaptive dampers and upgraded shocks for an even sportier feel. Steering is delivered through a rack and pinion system with electronic assist, giving the driver excellent road feedback and maneuverability. Braking is managed by ventilated disc brakes at all four corners, offering excellent stopping power. Higher trims come equipped with larger performance calipers for improved thermal resistance and fade reduction under heavy braking. Step inside, and the cabin immediately blends retro charm with modern luxury. Seating capacity is set for 4, with front bucket seats that provide strong lateral support. Material choices include a mix of premium leather, suede, and optional wood or aluminum trim. Features like heated and ventilated seats, customizable ambient lighting, and a digital instrument cluster provide a contemporary driving environment. The ergonomics are designed around the driver, with every control within easy reach. In terms of technology, the infotainment system features a crisp touchscreen interface that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation is built in, and higher trims offer an upgraded sound system for immersive audio quality. The vehicle is also equipped with USB-C ports, wireless charging, and Bluetooth connectivity for seamless integration with your devices. Although CD players are mostly phased out in modern cars, Volkswagen has included a retro-themed CD slot in some variants as a nostalgic touch for purists. Safety has been significantly upgraded in the 2026 model. Standard features include multiple airbags, a reinforced passenger cabin, and electronic safety aids like anti-lock braking system and electronic stability control. Advanced driver assistance systems are also available, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. Additional luxury features include power windows and door locks, dual-zone automatic climate control, and an optional panoramic sunroof that enhances the sense of space inside the car. The cruise control system is intelligent, adjusting speed in real time based on traffic flow, making highway driving effortless. Volkswagen has introduced special edition trims of the Karmann Ghia in limited numbers, featuring unique paint finishes, upgraded wheels, and exclusive interior themes. These models also include sport suspension, distinctive badging, and enhanced infotainment features. For collectors and brand enthusiasts, these special trims are likely to become future classics. What's especially notable about the 2026 Karmann Ghia is how Volkswagen has managed to maintain the car's unique personality while integrating modern-day expectations of performance, technology, and safety. The design team worked meticulously to preserve key visual elements from the classic Ghia, such as the curved roofline and flowing body panels, while updating them with precision-cut LED lights and a muscular stance. This blend of old and new is what makes the car appealing not just to nostalgic enthusiasts but to a new generation of drivers as well. Pricing for the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia starts at approximately $34,000 for the base trim and can go up to $48,000 for the top-spec model with all the bells and whistles. These prices make it competitive in the premium coupe segment, especially considering its unique style, legacy, and Volkswagen's engineering reliability. Maintenance costs are expected to be moderate, and the vehicle comes with a standard warranty package that includes powertrain coverage and roadside assistance. Whether you're an enthusiast looking to relive the golden era of coupes or a new buyer searching for a stylish, tech-savvy ride with timeless design, the 2026 Karmann Ghia deserves your attention. With a blend of heritage, modern engineering, and luxury, it stands out in today's crowded automotive landscape. So if you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Auto Drive. We bring you in-depth reviews, comparisons, and the latest updates from the car world to help you make the best decisions. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you stay updated with our latest uploads. Your support helps us continue making high-quality content and bringing rare, unique vehicles like the Karmann Ghia back into the spotlight. Thanks for watching Auto Drive, where passion meets precision.